Cordially and affectionately, we welcome you to this new documentary. If it is the first time, I introduce myself. I am the Engineer Hiddekel Morrison, and I appreciate you decide to see this educational content, where we will see the record of a UFO captured by the Rover Explorer robot on the planet Mars, where a strange sound was also recorded on the surface of the red planet. Join me, thanks to applied technology, in this new educational adventure, from the perspective of an engineer. Let's start. Two of the most important Explorer robots that the National Aeronautics and Space Administration of the United States, NASA, has on the planet Mars have made interesting recordings. Like the one generated by capturing a strange sound that, according to scientific reports, corresponds to a meteorite when it enters the atmosphere of another planet and crashes into the ground, being the first time that this peculiar phenomenon can be registered. The historic recording was made by the InSight robot, a lander specialized in the study of the Martian subsoil, and which, with its seismometer together with advanced scientific tools, recorded how the seismic and acoustic waves detected when the meteorite, which is a space rock, collided against Mars, an event dated September 5, 2021 according to the official NASA statement and as detailed in this important scientific study published in the journal Nature Geoscience. The entry into the atmosphere and the collision on the surface of the meteorite at high speed generates shock waves. The bigger the explosion, the more the sound waves tilt the ground, information that the InSight robot records and allows its direction to be analyzed. Let's immediately listen to this strange sound on Mars and see the video of a UFO on the planet Mars that the Perseverance robot managed to record. But first, I ask you to support us by liking this video, sharing this video with your contacts, and subscribing to this channel, turning on notifications, so with your support, we can continue to frequently generate interesting documentaries on aerospace technology and the universe. Thank you for contributing to the creation of educational content. In 2018, this robotic module called InSight landed on the planet Mars, with the purpose of drilling the Martian surface, to better study its conditions. This is the sound of a meteorite hitting Mars. But the records that have provoked the most attention are those of the most modern and recent Explorer robot, the Perseverance rover, in whose recent images these two sequences of photographs stand out with what appears to be an unidentified flying object, a UFO. Something that scientifically and officially has not been referred to by NASA or by any scientific study, since the images are considered to have been impacted by dust. A possible explanation is that the dust seen in a sequence of images gives that perception of an object unidentified flyer or a UFO. What do you think it is, a UFO or dust in the camera of the Explorer robot? I will read your reflections in the comments of this video. Remember that I always read you. as I leave you with this breathtaking sunrise on Mars captured by NASA's Perseverance rover. As usual, we appreciate you informing us. It is a real pleasure to be able to provide you with the main news, trends and developments about the most important aspects of aerospace technology and the universe, from the perspective of an engineer. I am the Engineer Hiddekel Morrison and I invite you to meet again in a future installment.